Hi, I'm Alan Greenwell. 2020 is exciting, not only because it's our 100th year of power generation, but also because we are releasing our brand new Onan Quiet Gas 2500 LP and 2800i gasoline fueled generators. Our OEMs and end users have been demanding improvements in noise, vibration, and convenience. And we have listened. Our new product exceeds expectations and sets the standard for RV fixed mount generator performance. Here's a short video highlighting our new generator's innovation and advancements.
Well, we spent a lot of hours talking to customers, trying to figure out what fit their lifestyle. And the new 2800i and 2500i Onan RV generator provides a reliable, compact, powerful unit, clean power, which is imperative for today's electronics, and also a very economically maintained running unit, so it uses much less fuel than the previous product. The consumer wants to be able to enjoy their camping experience.
The new Onan 2800i and 2500i generators are designed specifically for Class B vans and small travel campers. These variable speed generators deliver the gold standard of reliability, durability, and performance. Quiet, smooth, and efficient with a minimum of noise and vibration. The new 2800i and 2500i generators are available in gasoline or LP-powered models, as well as an EVAP model that meets 50 state emission laws.
The Quiet Gas 2800i and 2500i are very quiet. We tested and analyzed over 55 different fan designs to achieve world-class noise reduction.
So one of the new features that we have incorporated with the new product is we've greatly minimized the vibration levels. And we've done this by developing a 3-point mounting system that was engineered to really focus on minimal vibration. By doing this new enhancement with our new generator, we've actually made the generator one of the quietest of its size.
So the permanent magnet alternator advanced design coupled with the inverter technology provides clean, reliable, and uninterrupted power, just like how people would have at home.
So the Onan 2800 and 2500i generators operate at variable speed. They speed up when they need to, but they slow down when they don't. So when you're only using light loads inside the coach, it's able to sip the fuel. Likewise, when it speeds up, we only use the amount of fuel that we need to provide the load. Further, the returnless fuel injection allows for us to compensate for altitude, allows us to compensate for temperature, making this generator extremely fuel efficient. These same efficiencies carry through onto the LP as well. What this means for the customer is that longer run times, more time on the campsite, and less frequency of having to pull out and go refill the tanks on the coach.
The new Onan 2800i and 2500i generators. Quiet operation, minimal vibration, optimal clean power, and high efficiency. From Cummins, the power generation leader.
So how did we accomplish such improvements? Let's take a look inside this new Onan Quiet Gas generator. We knew we needed to make dramatic changes in order to substantially improve noise, vibration, and convenience as much as possible. So we started with a blank sheet design. The first consideration in reducing noise levels is the addition of the permanent magnet alternator, which provides 20% cleaner power and pure sine wave output over our previous model. This allows the generator to operate at variable speed and reduces engine noise. Typically, when customers complain of noise, what they are hearing is a large amount of air pushing through the generator to cool the engine. This is common with all air-cooled generators. Cummins tested more than 50 different fan designs to develop one that properly cools the engine at all loads of operation, quietly. To minimize exhaust sounds, we incorporated an oversized catalytic muffler that complies with all 50 states and Canadian emission regulations with a no-maintenance spark arrestor. All of this adds up to a 50% noise reduction. We also engineered a 3-point generator isolation mount and added a flex muffler coupling, reducing vibration over 80%. Another major improvement is the returnless fuel injection system. In addition to a 50% improvement in fuel efficiency, this design prevents carburetor varnishing and does not require a fuel return line to the gas tank. Bringing all this together is a brand new inverter control. This provides pure sine wave power and controls the engine with automatic altitude adjustments while monitoring oil level, temperature, and inverter temperature. I would now like to introduce you to Brian Green, our OEM account manager.
All of this innovation leads to increased enjoyment for our customers in today's RVs, just like the B-Van you see here. One of the innovations enhancing the customer's enjoyment is the inclusion of the J1939 data stream. Kelsey is here today to help demonstrate its capabilities.
Thanks, Brian. The J1939 system allows customers with multiplex display systems in their RVs, like this one, to start and stop the generator and view operating parameters such as oil temperature, voltage, amps, and frequency. It also enables end users to see full text description rather than counting blinking lights. There is also the capability of additional screens to aid technicians in diagnosing possible issues.
Additionally, we eliminated nuisance breaker tripping to avoid having the customer crawl under the van to reset the breaker, if you could even find that breaker. Let's say while you're microwaving breakfast, like Kelsey is doing, and the air conditioner kicks on. Previously, the breaker would trip and you would have to reset it manually. When the generator shuts down, you get a simple warning from the generator letting you know that the overload is happening. And then the generator does shut down. Now all you have to do is clear the fault on the screen and restart the generator. If your coach doesn't utilize the J1939 system, you just restart the generator. Now with the addition of oil level monitoring and increased oil capacity, we eliminated the need for daily oil level checks. So no need to check the oil level before each use.
This is important when you consider where many of these generators are mounted in typical B-Vans and truck campers. As B-Vans have very limited space, about the only place a genset can fit is behind the rear axle. All of the connections for this generator are conveniently located for installation and servicing. These interface connections include the exhaust, battery connectors, fuel connections, and AC wiring and remote connectors. For your customers looking to upgrade into the new generator, all of the mounting locations and brackets are identical to the previous model to the new genset. The only installation considerations are moving your battery cable and your fuel lines, possibly your tailpipe. Any generator model pre-2012 will need some modification in the installation. So how does all this translate into something the customer cares about? Let's head over to our display trailer for a quick demonstration.
This is our brand new Onan 2500i demonstration trailer. Mounted inside the trailer is our current 2500 LP model, as well as the new Onan QG 2500i generator. So how does all of this innovation sound? First, Kelsey's going to run the current model, and then I'm going to start the new model. At 63 decibels with a large, low-tone muffler, the difference is significant. The LP, gasoline, and EVAP models are now available. All of these innovations lead to an improved product that you and your customers are going to love.